No, may I try? See if me can. We no online much for that. Why you do that? We're not able to that made them comments a while ago. Guys, me can get some tops, please. It's soon. You okay? Anointed, thank you. Thank you for that. Jason, thank you for the hat and mustache. Thank you very much. I only ever ask some fool question. Why? Guys, somebody can help me complete my life goal. You know, I always ask people foolishness. Honestly. Thank you for the hand heart. Thank you. No, me not have no time for that, you know. Me not have no time for mute nobody. Make them stay, man. Thank you, Jason, for the gifts. Guys, when I can give Jason a follow, him not have no follow over him page. You guys, wanna give Jason a follow. Purpose Queen, thank you for the hat and mustache. Thank you very much. Oh, okay, Jason, no problem. Shannel just alright. I understand. Thank you for the rose, Purpose Queen. Nobody know do nothing. Sex Alexi, nobody know do nothing. Nobody did anything. Guys, me can get something on the double. Deserve better and happiness. Tete, no.
I got a contract.
Thank you for that, Anointed. Thank you very much. That's true. Thanks for the taps, guys. Thank you very much.
What's your other plane?
Tay, come. You and Tariq, come. Thank you, boss lady, for the roses. Thank you very much. Come. Thank you for the donut, hon. Thank you very much. Slimmers, what you mean you go drench? You go drench, boy. Who you attack? Anyways, thanks for the gifts, guys, and thanks for the taps. So you got analyze the man. How many can I just left the man? Thank you for joining the team, boss lady Tam. Tariq, come. Why can I just left the man instead of unalive him? Oh, I understand. I understand. Anyways, thank you guys for the gifts and thanks for the support. Big up to my MVP, my number 2, and my number 3. I believe my number 2 got much power-ups. My number 2, which is Boss Lady Tom, I think you have her gloves. Yeah, thank you for the match there. I think you have her gloves. I can't take all some of my turn over here still, you know. Oh boy. Tete, come.
What?
Come.
What?
Fuck. That's no one.
Good match, man. You do it.
No madness. Down here telling fuck on the time and people boy pick.
You do it, man.
Hello.
Hey. Hey.
Iowa.
Nice, man. Yes, man.
Kevin. Come here, boy. Hello, you know Kevin?
Which Kevin?
Dirty thief in Kevin.
You have to be specific.
See my man. You want to see my Kumit. You don't know Kumit, Kevin? That's where come.
You know, what if people named Kevin?
Oh. A real talk, man. I don't understand how to play match, you know. How much I try to play?
Yeah.
But I don't know how to play match.
How this now?